right, mommy?
Yes.
This is my mommy. Okay, we're in the city and it's literally raining. It's so cold. We're like so cold. And we have to walk like, now it says we have to walk like 28 minutes to our hotel. Look at my glasses, they're full of rain. It's like so crazy. Literally gonna die. Yummy Jamba Juice. Oh, this is good. It tastes like oranges. What does yours taste like?
Peach or something? I don't even know.
I've had that one before. This one's good. This one's the razzmatazz, and she has the Caribbean passion. Okay, so we're trying to walk. It's raining. Like that. Go this way. Oh my god. Literally, though, we just had the best like dinner. We had burgers at this place, and we're going to Madame Tussauds right now. Tussauds, as you probably saw before, and it was really nice, right, mommy? Was it nice? Yeah.
Mom's tired. Mom's tired.
Alright guys, good morning. I just woke up. It is Beautycon day 1 and I'm about to do my makeup for the day. You can see how bad I look. There's literally a light right there. But this is my setup and stuff, and yeah. About to do my makeup. Okay, this is my makeup. I don't really like it, but I'm all dressed, and then we're gonna head out to Beautycon and I'm gonna videotape some of it. Okay, we're all dressed for Beautycon, and then we're about to leave, and then we're like gonna be there. We're at Beautycon. Beautycon and we got some cookies right now. We have a bunch of like stuff already, and I hate how my makeup looks. Because we've been here for 3 hours and there's like we've already pretty much done everything, and we're going back to our hotel and we're gonna get like lunch and stuff, but I'm coming back tomorrow for a date. our hotel room. Just a nice little city view. And there's a limo right there. Okay, so I got this shirt at Beautycon for free. And so yeah, now we're gonna go out and get some lunch because we are hungry.
And go to Central Park.
No, we're not going to Central Park.
Yes, we are.
But this is my outfit.
Central Park. Who wouldn't want to go to Central Park when you're in the city?
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Okay guys, so it's 11:08 p.m. and we are literally locked out of our room because like the battery's dead or something, and the guy's like, oh, it's gonna be a while. So we're literally locked out of our room at 11 p.m. Right, mommy?
Right.
So
Not
like I have a
happy.
pounding headache, so yeah, that's what's
I'm
happening.
not happy.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Beautycon day 2, and I just did this eyeshadow. It's just simple. I didn't want to do anything too much. I just had my hair in a ponytail, and yeah, you're gonna see my outfit in a second. Okay,
It's day 2.
So yeah, it's day 2. I said that already, but these are our outfits. Mine's just like this little Mickey shirt and stuff, and then some leggings, and then she has my camo dress on, and then this like jacket. Right, mommy?
Hi. Hi.
Okay, so even though you can see this later, I'll see you there. Okay guys, we're about to go on the train. See, there's a train right there, and yeah. Alright guys, I am back home. So thank you guys so much for watching my travel vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Follow my Instagram at Carly's Beauty, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, a like, and comment down below if you went to Beautycon or if you did not go to Beautycon. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I could be your private island on a different planet.